You're watching Markets for You, a daily videocast that covers markets, news, and share trading signals from experts. I'm Jessie Wong. First, the US dollar. The dollar rose after an increase in safe haven demand following the release of data which sparks global growth fears. The greenback ended Thursday at 1.3881 to the euro and 77.50 to the yen. Next to the euro. The euro fell after the European Central Bank maintains rates at their current level and revised down the growth and inflation forecast. The common currency ended the day at 107.58 to the yen and 0.8697 to the pound. British pound. The pound rose on Thursday after speculations proved unfounded that the Bank of England would change their monetary policy and introduce further easing to stimulate the slowing economy. Sterling ended the sessions at 1.5956 to the dollar and 123.66 to the yen. Japanese yen. The yen traded mixed, supported by the rise in safe haven demands following global growth fears, but was heavily affected by the market's volatilities as several central banks released policy statements and interest rates decisions. The yen ended the day at 77.50 to the dollar and 107.58 to the euro. And now the section you've been waiting for, Markets Tips. Forex4you in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provide you daily trading signals from experts of the field. If your pair is euro versus US dollar, our preference to open short positions at 1.3960 with targets at 1.3875 and 1.3815 inside. The upside breakout of 1.3970, which will open the way to 1.4020 and 1.4110. If you trade British pounds against US dollar, we say open short positions at 1.6015 with targets at 1.5950 and 1.5915 as next targets. The upside penetrations of 1.6025, which will call for the rebounds toward 1.6075 and 1.6140. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference to open long positions at 77.35 with targets at 77.70 and 77.85 as next targets. The downside penetrations of 77.30, which will call for the slides towards 77.05 and 76.80. Good luck and happy tradings. Tune in Monday for the latest markets news and trading tips. I'm Jessie Wong and you've been watching Markets for You. Have a great weekend.